Alright, so this is part 2 of the video for 11801 North Sundown Drive in Scottsdale. I'm not sure if I told you the address of it before or not, but we have the air conditioning in the front. We have other things as well. There's a little water leak. Let's go ahead and go inside now. As you can tell, the house was built in the 50s. We do have a big crack in the floor here. This is, not sure, living room, family room. But the crack itself goes all the way through. You can notice somebody did some kind of patching. So, as we go throughout this house, you'll notice that there's been some areas that have been remodeled, redone, revamped, whatever. And there's other areas that need work as well. And we even see it go into the brick here as well. So possible settling issue. It's because we follow up the wall. We can see it actually start to go back up towards this beam right here. See that? So just good stuff to watch out for. Now, being that we're in the living room, let's do this half of the house first. And it might be that this video turns into a 4-part video because this home is quite large. It's actually 5,498 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths. And this is the dining room. Lots of cabinets, broken mirror, as we see. And there's me, so I'm doing what you want me to do. And as you can see, the floor's been pulled up slightly. It needs some fixing, stuff as well. We go into this area. It's basically, a hallway back to where we came from. And we have some really old white fixture buttons, which are kind of cool. I kind of like them, actually. But as you can see, definitely needed updating. Alright, here's a closet. We're going to find areas of this home that are really hard to see in, just because all the electric isn't turned down to all the home. And this could be a den, or an office, or just put anything you want. So nice little area as well. So now, since we're back to where we first began at the front of the home, let's go look up the rest of the home on this side of the house. Boot, scoot, and boogie. Here we have some extra cabinets, as we can see. There's a catapult pipe there, one there as well. But also, there's a lot of doors in this home, and you're going to see that as we go throughout. I think somebody was trying to go for the Western back in the Cowboy Indian days with the doors that we have. So, as I was saying earlier, we can see that somebody's already started maybe possibly doing some remodeling, but this looks fairly new. However, there are some errors within it. Like you can see the gap. There's no cooling molding. There's, right here within this as well. Just cleanup work for the most part. And then the center trim and floor trim in this particular door. We're also going to notice that on the original doors in this home, a lot of them are shorter than up to date per se. Here's the island in the kitchen. I think the only thing really in the kitchen that may be done is possibly just update the countertops and doors and stuff like that nature. But just give you a feel for the size of this room, it's enormous. It's goes from here, and we'll pan out and go around. That is actually, I want to say, it is a sun, a light from the ceiling, through the ceiling, from the sun, and the other ones are, as they appear. Previous and replacing and fixing and stuff as well. Just going back into this room, this could be a dining room as well. There's all kinds of things it could be. Again, newer door. However, I believe it might be too close to the floor because we do see a little scratch. So it probably needs to be rehung, probably leveled as well. Trim is missing. Other outlet issues as well. And then look at the ceiling. There are some wet spots, probably a water leak. So that's my assumption for a new roof. And again, you have beam, ceiling exposed and stuff like that. Also, we have some kind of discoloration occurring. So this window faces the front of the house. But we'll also have a a gated double door, which I'm a little confused about. Yeah, and there's another door right there. I haven't gone into it. And here's like a little storage area as well. You know, so there's a lot of stuff to this home. Now let's go back this way and go actually out into the next appearing room. Now we have a step here. It even says it. Step. And then let's go this way first. I assume this is the laundry room, because right there's a washer and dryer. Yeah, so pretty big, decent size. It's actually pretty deep, actually. You know? And here you can see lots and lots of space. Just over. There's an attic, no door in it. Now this room, I'm assuming, is a bedroom, and that's only because of the closet. We have doors, we have windows. Okay. Floor has been redone. However, as you can notice, we're still looking at blue tape and other things along the roof, ceiling itself. So, but then we also have cracks. Yeah, so I'm a little concerned with that. Let's give you an idea. As you can see, there's somebody didn't put enough plaster on or something happened. But here's the closet for this bedroom. Not sure if this is a master bedroom or supposed to be a suite of some kind, but it is quite large. I'll give you a feel for it. You know, it could even be turned into some kind of dance studio or all kinds of possible options. Now let's go into the other closet slash, well, it's actually a toilet, a bathroom per se. But as we can see, you know, it needs to be redone. There's a flooring and everything. So, you know. Bathroom with no sink. So, you know, just good stuff. You know, let's go into the actual garage that I was talking about earlier from the first video. It is a 3-car garage, but I swear you could probably fit like 4 or 5 cars in here. Let me show you how big this is. This garage is just huge. You know, and I'll go to the opposing side. There's actually another little storage room area over here off to the side, maybe for RVs or something, or ATVs, or what have you, golf cart, you know. So huge this is. This thing is just enormous. You know, so let's see if we get more cracks in the floor. We have some kind of issue going on there with the corner splitting. But overall, though, it's decent. See a big stain on the floor here. Could be some kind of roof leak going on. However, we don't see any coloration difference in the ceiling other than in this area here. Yeah, so this video is going to be quite long. And then the other thing is, I'm not sure exactly what all this is. Reminds me of Presac. You know, so good stuff to know. Alright, well that's it for this half of the home. And we're going to start in the kitchen in the next video. Most likely, this is going to be a multi-video home. Alright, well, I'll see you in a minute. Have fun. Bye-bye.